Hi, I'm Jim. Welcome to North River Bonsai. Today we're going to be looking at exposed root azalea. This is an exposed root azalea I made a few years ago. I think the roots have developed nicely. And here's a picture of it from when it was in flower back in the spring. Nice. So if you look these up, you'll find they're rather expensive. I'm going to show you today how you can make one for a fraction of the cost. The first thing you'll need for this project is a grow tube. I made this one out of a couple of plastic bottles. Take a couple of bottles like these, cut the top and bottom off, and attach them together. Then take your nursery pot, half fill it full of azalea soil, and place the tube in there. Then for support, fill up the remaining nursery pot. Next to the grow tube, the key feature of this project is gravel. Here's some decorative gravel I just happen to have on hand. You can use any type of gravel. You just want something about like this, about nickel or quarter size. What I'm going to do is mix the gravel with more azalea soil. And this is what we use to fill up the cylinder. The point of using the gravel is to create twisty-turny roots that reach all the way down to the bottom and then grow out in the nursery pot. So just fill up the tube and get it started. So I'm using Satsuki azalea. Here's one I already bare rooted. You want to keep the roots moist so they don't dry out and kill the tree. Let's look and see about how long this is going to be when we put it in. So we can still fill up the tube a bit more. Now we'll start working the roots into the pot and working some soil and gravel in among the roots. I'm going to put some rocks or gravel right into the roots. So this area will match the lower area as it grows out. You want to push the tree down so that the roots are in contact with the soil and gravel below. Let's try and get some more soil and gravel in up here on the top. We'll work it in with a chopstick. There, you can see using the chopstick I work quite a bit of soil and gravel down among these upper roots and it'll be ready to grow. So you want to be sure and water the base, but more importantly, you want to water through the top so all these roots up in here get watered and will grow down and reach the nursery pot soil. When the roots have reached the nursery pot soil and hopefully maybe even started growing out of the bottom, that's when you'll know it'll be time to start removing the upper tube. Cut it with a pair of scissors and start working the soil and gravel away from the roots. You can work your way down. I wouldn't suggest doing it all at once. The roots are usually thicker up here and thinner down here, so you want to wait on this lower section until you get some pretty nice thick roots. I hope this project's given you some ideas and you'll try making an exposed root azalea yourself. Thank you. Bye.